Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of July, 2024. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today. Yes, price has been crashing. It has been moving lower. Let me zoom out on this price chart. You guys can see that ever since the high of March 29, 2024, Dogecoin has been trending to the downside. So yes, it has been going lower. What's next? Has people's portfolios been wiped out? Will it continue to be wiped out as the market continues to trend below this trend line? This is the current direction that the market in Dogecoin is traded in. We're trending to the downside right now. So now we're going to break this down to try to figure out, okay, what's next for Doge. So check this out. Now, we did these buy zones right here. You guys can see here on the daily time frame that we did these two buy zones back in April time frame. The market didn't hold it. The buyers, that particular team that wants to see the price go up, they didn't hold price at this buy zone. They did it momentarily on the 13th of April, and then again on May 1st, they held this particular buy zone. But then it crashed below that level too on June 18th. So let's get rid of that buy zone. Okay, so now also trending down in the short term, as I zoom out, you can also see how Dogecoin is also trending up too. So which trend do you really think is applicable in the market for Dogecoin? Is this market confused? Who's winning? Is it the buyers? Is it the sellers? Which team are you on? Most notably, you might be a buyer, because a lot of people always show, or for the most part, show optimism to their investments, to their trades, as to price going in their favor. But when you look at Dogecoin, it looks kind of mixed. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of these sell zones all the way up here. They're not applicable yet because the price is definitely not traded that high. Let's look at the market in Dogecoin here on the 2-day time frame. Question is, are we going to continue to see price go up, or will we see price continue to trend down? Short term, it looked like the buyers are currently winning. I like that. Plus, we can see that we're getting these two buy signals here in our particular software package. You guys can see on the 3-day chart that the market here in Dogecoin is also holding a particular area that I do like to see right around this point. Okay, so we can kind of label this as a buy zone. Okay, so let me just show you what I'm favoring right now. I'm kind of looking for the market in Doge to try to trend up, but I'm not saying that we're going to shoot back up to 22 cents. All right. But given that we are trending alongside this long-term trend, the buyers are coming through in Dogecoin around 11 cents to 12 cents. That is all good to see price continue to trend up. You guys can see that on the last 4-day price bar, we got the market trending to the upside. We got the indicator of strength right there. And now the market came back down to this buy zone. The buyers held price. So yeah, all looks like the market in the short term at least wants to trend up in Dogecoin. Here it is on the weekly time frame. This is what happened last week. Again, another indication of strength into the market. So what do you guys expect? Yeah, let's look for the market in Doge to continue to go up. So that's what we're going to do. Now, we got that idea established. We need to figure out, where are these sell zones at? Where do you think the sellers are? Because if you're on the buyer's team, you want to know where your opponent is going to try to hit you to try to push the price back down. Well, this is one area right there, 14.5 to 15 cents. This is the second area right here. Okay, and this would be the third area. It's real close. So given that I'm looking for price in Doge to continue to trend up, these would be the targets right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on the chart. So now we don't want to see the market in Doge to ultimately break this trend line to the downside, because if so, then as I told you in the beginning of the video, more people's portfolios will begin to be wiped out more, and we don't want that to happen, do we? But we don't have no control over that, really. So let's go look for the market in Doge to continue to go up. Here's our first target up there around 14.5 cents to 15. At the high of this first sell zone, that gives us 17.71. Second target is going to be around 16 cents to maybe 17 cents. At the high of this second sell zone will be about 28.64%. And then the third target is going to be around 17.5 cents. I'm not really looking for that right now, but just in case I don't come back and do another video for the long term, that will be my third target. So we'll see how strong the market really is, how much the buyers really want to see this market go up. Because if it really wants to, yeah, it'll hit that third sell zone. But if they don't, it might just hit this first sell zone and then continue to move to the downside. But we'll see. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Hit that like button. Share the video. Also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.